Welcome back to Up Above Adventure. You've seen us chase big bites out of Galveston and fishing all along the Texas coast. But on this trip, we're taking things to a whole new level. We packed our gear, hopped on a flight, and headed south to beautiful Cancun, Mexico, to try our luck fishing the crystal clear waters of the Caribbean seas. Let's see what kind of adventure this tropical paradise has in store for us. Don't pull up when you're reeling. Yes. Barracuda. Barracuda. Marco, your favorite. Don't let no slack in your line when you reel down. Hey, good job, buddy. They got that ballyhoo.
Jackfish in the morning.
Bonita. You got bait. You doubled up, baby. It's all good.
I'm looking for the big one.
The big one.
I'm looking for bait.
The big one's looking for me. The deckhand prepares the bonita to be used for cut bait. Bonita is good cut bait to use for offshore for targeting various species including shark, snapper, mahi, and even mackerel. The deckhand will prepare the bonita almost like you fillet a fish. He'll cut the fillet away and sever the head, and will use both with this downrigger setup. This downrigger setup is perfect for targeting bottom feeding fish like red snapper, grouper, tilefish. The heavy weight, called a cannonball, is lowered to your desired depth using the downrigger's arm. Your baited hook is clipped just above the weight with a quick release clip. Once the cannonball reaches the depth, the deckhand gives the rod a quick jerk, releasing the line from the clip. This allows the bait to float freely near the reef below, right in the strike zone. It's an effective way to present your bait while keeping your line clean and ready for a fight. And just like that, fish on. Yeah.
A wheel down. talking about.
That's what I do. That's what I do.
What do you do? What do you
I
do?
get big girls.
What do you do?
I get the big girls.
All right.
I get the big girls.
Now you gotta kiss it. You gotta.
We spent the better part of the day deep dropping and trolling through the rough seas, and it paid off. Some incredible catches. After the grind, we cruised to a calm, beautiful spot where the kids and the big kids could jump in and enjoy the crystal clear waters of Cancun. Meanwhile, the crew fired up the grill and cooked up the bounty of the day. You can't get fresher seafood than that. Just hours ago, it was swimming, now it's sizzling and ready to eat. What a day. Fishing, swimming, and sharing an unforgettable adventure with friends and family. Thanks for watching Up Above Adventures. When we get back in Galveston, come fish with us. Book your trip today and let us make your next adventure one to remember.